Hearty welcome to each and everyone to our YouTube channel. This is our first YouTube video in this new year. So happy New Year 2024 to each and everyone. We hope this year will be most successful, prosperous and happy New Year to everyone. This video is actually explaining about ISO 42001 2023 Artificial Intelligence Management System, AIMS. So ISO actually very recently in 2023 December published this standard. So I would like to explain about ISO 42001 2023 AIMS, Artificial Intelligence Management System. Okay, what is artificial intelligence? It's a branch of computer science which studies machine intelligence. Like a machine can perform as human being, the analytical, the logical, the mathematical, the statistical, all kind of the functionality can be performed by a machine. That is actually we are dealing about. So this artificial intelligence actually in this revolution 4.0, in fact that is the most powerful weapon, powerful tool we are using in this revolution 4.0. You see, revolution 4.0 already started in Germany in 2011, and most of the advanced countries in a transition towards this revolution 4.0. So organizations must understand, like we must take advantages of the revolution 4.0 tools, and in that one artificial intelligence is the most important tool we are using in this revolution 4.0. Artificial intelligence has three evolutions happen, three series of tools already developed by artificial intelligence. Three stages, three phases of the evolutions happen. So what is the first phase, first evolution? That is actually we can call it artificial intelligence. The second evolution or the second phase of it is the Gen AI, the generative artificial intelligence, and the third phase we can call it a regen AI, regenerative artificial intelligence. So the first stage, artificial intelligence itself has mainly three categories. When you look at the taxonomy of this artificial intelligence, you can see in the first phase of the evolution itself has three type of artificial intelligence. The first one is artificial intelligence, like machine learning. Machine learning is the first type of artificial intelligence. We can say the example of Alexa and Siri, everybody familiar with that. So that is the first stage, like machine learning, the way, the functionality and performance. Then the second type of second category is like machine intelligence, like a computer chessboard which can beat any of the best human player in the world. It's already proven. Last time, you remember, Gary Kasparov, the world chess champion, was beaten by the chessboard. Kasparov can think about around 200 moves only, but the computer, this machine intelligence can think about 1 million moves. That's why definitely, the computer, this machine intelligence always win. So it is actually more powerful, more capacity than human intelligence. There is no doubt about it. So we can make use of this artificial intelligence functionalities, its potential capabilities. Yeah. And the third type of the artificial intelligence is like a machine consciousness. Machine exactly behaving like a human, and the machine is going to work like a human. For example, artificial intelligence connect with the computer robotics, Internet of Things, and data analytics, and that all the way, all the revolution 4.0 tools equipped in a machine consciousness, and this robot is independently going and do a welding in a car manufacturing plant. You just imagine this robot can do better quality, better productivity, and its accuracy, its what is called the quality characteristics is all higher, superior, and excellence than human being. So that kind of way, this is going to be a very big revolution. That is the way the revolution 4.0 is progressing. Then the second evolution, let's say second phase of artificial intelligence is Gen AI, or generative artificial intelligence. Which one we can say an example of an architect using this Gen AI. He will put all the design, the data, the context, the info, the requirements, and all those info he put as input to this computer, and the computer itself designing very attractive and impressive architectural designs. That is the Gen AI is doing. So you see, this will be better than you see the 7 wonders of the world, the better than the Taj Mahal. Just imagine this architecture of this building will be better than human designers can do. So that kind of way, this Gen AI can design a very creative design. Yeah. Then the third phase of the artificial intelligence, or the third evolution happen, that is the regen artificial intelligence, which is one step further, like in a family, like let's say husband and wife and 2 children, 1 girl, 1 boy, like a just to take an example, and different persons, different expectations, desire, that all a regen AI can understand, and can address, can provide solutions, and very customized, very unique way they can design like a regenerative AI, artificial intelligence, and that kind of home will be really like always far superior than a human being is designing a home. So that kind of way, this is a lot of changes going to happen in the world, and it is going to like make a big impact on the organizations. Organizations still like learning only, but you see some of the advanced countries already have taken the advantages. So any organization can take advantages if you understand what is an artificial intelligence, what are the advantages, and what are the capabilities, and how that ISO standard, how this ISO standard is managing this artificial intelligence. So you see, like always, human being is more smarter than artificial intelligence. Even though artificial intelligence has more capability, more capacity in terms of intelligence, in terms of logic, mathematics, and analytical skills, statistical skills, and all, but still this human being is the one actually created artificial intelligence. And something like this is a scenario like left brain versus the right brain. So actually artificial intelligence actually acting like the left hand side of your brain, but a human intelligence, we have not only the left hand side brain as artificial intelligence, but we have right hand side brain, which we have intellect. Human beings are intellectual and artificial intelligence is not intellectual. So that is the way, by this intellectual capability, capacity, always the human beings will be smarter than artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence will be dominated by the human intellect. This ISO standard, ISO 42001 2023 aims artificial intelligence management system. That one can manage artificial intelligence in a better way for better customer satisfaction, better quality product and services, and more efficiency, and all the characteristics you can achieve if you are following this standard. This standard is one of the most advanced ISO standards in the world. So this standard is like using quality management system framework, which years like the organizations in the world following, around 2 million organizations or ISO 9001 QMS certified. So that foundation, that framework we are using in this AIMS artificial intelligence management system. So that is the most famous and successful management system in the world. So we can make use of that QMS and its application and its more advanced management elements are incorporated in this latest version. So you see, we have process approach. We have three major concepts. We are applying these three major concepts in this AIMS artificial intelligence management system. One is the process approach. The moment the requirements as an input coming, we can visualize for a better quality excellence, and we can visualize for better result, predictable result. So process approach we are using, and in order to get this result, we have a second concept which is called PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, which is originated by Deming, which is the secret of success, the entire country Japan. After the Second World War, I think in our previous video we very clearly explained about how Japan revived their industry by using PDCA cycle, and it is a Deming cycle. Deming is the American scientist who originated this PDCA cycle, and he taught Japanese, and Japanese totally embraced that PDCA cycle, and everything they organized, all the product and services they designed and provided according to Plan, Do, Check, Act, PDCA, again and again repeating until they reaching to the excellence. So that way Japan that time reached to the second GDP. Japan became the one of the advanced countries in the world, one of the G7 countries in the world. So that successful framework we are using, and this another major concept, we are using the risk management. So risk and opportunities we are using. So positive and negative aspect of the risk all addressed, and that major concept also we are using for aims. So of course this artificial intelligence, if it is performing without any control, it is very risky. So something like an elephant, like how a human being control the elephant with the chains and all, and bringing the elephant for some purpose of some celebrations, ceremonies and all. So that kind of way, human being can manage artificial intelligence. Even though artificial intelligence like a elephant, human beings still use their right hand side brain, which is intellect. Human beings are intellectual, and which artificial intelligence doesn't have. So that's the reason always human brain smarter, and humans will dominate artificial intelligence. Then we have the high level structure, 10 major clauses, management elements. So systematically, step by step, any organization can make use of this standard to make better product and services by utilizing the strength and the capability of artificial intelligence. So if you are using this standard, you can manage artificial intelligence very well, effectively, efficiently, and better product services, better customer satisfaction. So you can make use of this standard. And this standard has the clause number 4, context. So you see that whatever the artificial intelligence can perform, but human intelligence still required to understand the customer's needs and expectations, to understand the pulse of the market, to understand the trend change of the market. For that still we need human intellect. So that's why human intellect is the one always giving direction, giving instruction to artificial intelligence, from understanding the context of the organization, understanding the organization existing in a market, in a country and in a world, and what kind of product and service we can make it and most suitable to acceptable to the market, and that is the way we can increase the market share. So what kind of strategies we have to apply to manage this context? For that, what kind of commands, instructions we have to give to artificial intelligence, all human intellect will do. So we apply strategic context management as per this ISO clause number 4. And ISO clause number 5 is all about leadership. as I say, human being more smarter than artificial intelligence. We have life, artificial intelligence doesn't have. We have EQ, emotional quotient, artificial intelligence doesn't have. And we have SQ, like a spiritual quotient, artificial intelligence doesn't have. So human beings are the in fact this entire world, entire life for human beings, and other like environment and the tools, everything for better quality of life. So that way ISO standard managing artificial as an infrastructure, very advanced infrastructure, very highly capable than human intelligence. We know we are not underestimating its strength, but we are human being more superior, more highly capable, intellectual. By that capacity, capability, we manage artificial intelligence. So ISO standard also says that accountability, where is the vision, where you want to reach, where you want to bring this organization. For that, what role artificial intelligence can do, that functionality role shall be aligned towards this vision of the organization. So that is the way leadership make use of artificial intelligence as an instrument, as an advanced infrastructure, and as a industrial revolution 4.0 advanced tool. So we are make use of the power and the potential of artificial intelligence for the organization's purpose, vision, goals to be fulfilled. So that way we can better way we can make use of this artificial intelligence, and we take the accountability, we take the responsibility of this AIMS artificial intelligence management system, and all the resources we provided. Then clause number 6 all about risk management. Here ISO introduce SIA. SIA means system impact assessment. It's a part of risk assessment. That will be a requirement, a shall. ISO using the word shall. So for certification purpose, so organization must follow that shall requirement. Then organization better way can manage artificial intelligence and related risk going to happen. And the positive side of the risk, opportunities, of course, always ISO make use of that one. And better quality objectives, KPIs, for that ISO using AIMS, and to achieve this one, ISO develop the strategies and make use of the AIMS. Then we have clause number 7, support resource management. In fact, artificial intelligence itself in the infrastructure, advanced infrastructure. So years like ISO managing whatever the software, hardware, and what all the infrastructure, ISO understand how to manage as a resource management. So ISO do, and ISO has competency, training, people awareness, and organization knowledge. This field, this branch of science of computer science rapidly expanding and changing. So change is the only constant, change is the only unchanged. So whatever the changes happening rapidly, organization has to be a learning organization, and have to take this as a continual improvement learning organization. That way have to take it. Then organization applying the clause number 8 for operation. So operational planning and control of the artificial intelligence ISO very well clearly understand with a quality assurance and quality control documented way. ISO can manage it. So ISO is addressing all type of requirements of all type of customers and the market perceptions and all type of stakeholders like government, political, economical, social, technological, environmental, legal, all type of regional, local, all type of stakeholders, their needs and expectations are addressed very well, and each and every one artificial intelligence can give more attention, then can address and they can make a better solution, better quality, then that way eventually quality of life of human beings will be improving. And we are using the design, in the design like artificial intelligence, using the design capability to design the product and services in a quality, in a safety, with more characteristics, more effectiveness, durability, and efficiency, and also cost effectiveness, how much we have to pay for it by using artificial intelligence. Eventually the price will be less, so the massive production also can do. It has huge potential by make use of the drones in the agriculture and all. Artificial intelligence can do cultivation, farming, reforestation, lot of potential area, pharmaceuticals, medical science, everywhere you can see the artificial intelligence application with more accuracy, more reliability, dependability. That way in all walks of life we can make use of this one. Then artificial intelligence, like the operational part, we have good control, and we are using ISO way of plan, do, check, act management way within this operation, within this project management, and more effectiveness will get it. In case of any non-conformities we notice by the checklist and internal auditing. Now our performance evaluation tools also more stringent, capable to audit artificial intelligence and to measure the result, measure the characteristics of the product and service. Then that way better corrective action, advanced corrective action, we can go for it. So clause number 9 is all about performance evaluation. ISO using 3 layer of performance evaluation, quality checklist, internal audit, which is above the quality checklist, independently without any conflict of interest. Internal auditors find out the non-conformity, and management review, top management review how we artificial intelligence we are using, and what is the result we are getting. Is the result improving or not, efficiency improving or not, the cost effectiveness we are getting or not, otherwise what kind of follow-up action, corrective action we have to do, that all will be done. Then the final clause is improvement. So that is the clause number 10. Artificial intelligence, now we are in the evolution 3, the third phase. We are in the region AI, regenerative artificial intelligence, and we people think that this is the perfection of the artificial intelligence, but in fact it's only started, is just a beginning only. As per ISO, this version continual improvement. So we are our expectation all we are put on our new gen. New gen is more smarter than our current generation, and we hope that new gen will do another evolutions, another range of artificial intelligence product and tools and all. And I would like to complete this video by introducing a new terminology, AII, Artificial Intelligence and Intellect, which is going to happen in the world. And first time I am the one telling this one because I checked in the Google search, I couldn't find out anything. So this is a combination of the left brain and right brain incorporating. We can create a AII, and this AII is actually will be far superior, far advanced than current artificial intelligence, because this AII can use the right side of the brain as well, the left side, and it's a combination, all the potential capabilities, the human right side capabilities like creativity, innovation, visualization, imagination, intuition, and emotional quotient, spiritual quotient, and all these kind of management elements, and further their desire for a better quality of life, all these can be incorporated with the AII. So maybe another day, I hope there will be another evolution will happen for AII tools, and another evolution will happen which can more better way these machines can perform like a human being, and human beings still will be smarter than AII, because we are the creators of this AII. So creator is in fact, creator is greater than creations. That will happen, that creator always dominate creations. So even though another range of tools, another evolution, another phase is happening, this creator of this AII also will be under the control, under the direction, under the instruction of human being, and human being will always manage AI and AII. So that way, more and more you learn about this one, then more better way we can manage artificial intelligence and make use of artificial intelligence for better quality of life. Thank you.